Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to another vlog from Brisbane Public Transport Vlogs 18. Today is Thursday the 20th of November 2025. It's currently 6:02 a.m. As you can see, I'm at Footscray. And welcome to day 3 of my adventure. This is the Werribee train on platform 6. Just waiting for the 6:05 Frankston train. This train express Footscray, North Melbourne, and then all stations to Frankston. Well, today I'm off to Albury. This will be the first time I'll see scenery between Melbourne and Albury, because the only time I go to Albury is when I'm on the overnight XPT. So something different today. Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to another vlog from Brisbane Public Transport Vlogs 18. Today is Thursday the 20th of November 2025. It's currently 6:02 a.m. As you can see, I'm at Footscray. And welcome to day 3 of my adventure. This is the Werribee train on platform 6. Just waiting for the 6:05 Frankston train. This train express Footscray, North Melbourne, and then all stations to Frankston. Well, today I'm off to Albury. This will be the first time I'll see scenery between Melbourne and Albury, because the only time I go to Albury is when I'm on the overnight XPT. So something different today. Well, time to board. 15 minutes to leave.
We'll be departing in 15 minutes.
So I've got seats of 20. Seriously, reverse. Here we go, 300 kilometres. Okay, here we are crossing the Murray River now. Welcome to New South Wales.
Service now arrived at the next stop of Albury. If you take time now to look around, ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before exiting the train. At Albury, there is a larger than usual step down to the platform. For your own safety, please mind any additional gap between you and the platform, as the suggestion is you hop on the train first and then take your baggage afterwards. On behalf of the 11 onboard crew, I'd like to thank you for your patience and hope you have a pleasant journey. Once again, our next and final stop is Albury.
first time here during daylight. Coming into Albury now. We've got the day service, Melbourne Sydney XPT. Leaves Southern Cross at 8:30 this morning. Arrives at Albury at 11:49 AM and arrives in Sydney at 7:48 tonight. Apologies if you missed that. I was too busy looking at my notes here. So we've got car D. First class, car C, car B, first class. We've got car A, sleepers or sitting cars. Let's just see what the rear number is. It's 2002. XP 2007 is the lead. Alright, so she's just boarded the train now. So it should be leaving any minute. The lights are on. Melbourne Sydney Day XPT now departing Albury Station. Train time is 11:53. So we've got the 12:51 PM Albury Southern Cross service getting ready to depart. This train will arrive at Southern Cross at 4:33 and this is a 6-car unit. We have 1195 at the front. They're ready to depart. Right, 12:51 PM Albury Southern Cross service now departing. E, car D, car C, car B, car A. We've got 1293 at the back. Alright, so the next train to come in, arrive in Albury, is the Sydney-Melbourne XPT. It's due at 3:11 p.m. So a long wait for the next train. And that left Sydney at 7:40 this morning. That's if it's on time. Alright, well, I'm going to go into town. So coming on the platform here at Albury is the Sydney-Melbourne XPT daylight service. This left Sydney at 7:40 a.m. and it's due to arrive in Albury at 3:11, so it's only 2 minutes late. And it'll arrive at Southern Cross Station at 6:30 p.m, where it'll then turn into the overnight train, which will depart Southern Cross at 7:50 tonight and arrive in Sydney at 6:52 tomorrow morning. And at the front we have 2004. Car D, E, and G. And at the rear, 2011. To depart. Sydney-Melbourne XPT, platform 1. This arrives at Southern Cross Station at 6:30 tonight. Car D, and lucky last, car G. Alright, so the next train to arrive is, sorry, I just got to flip the page here. Is the 1204 from Southern Cross, which arrives in Albury at 3:40 this afternoon. And then that train will depart at 5:27, which is the train that I'll be on, and then arrive at Southern Cross at 9:45 tonight. So the next train arrives here at 3:40 this afternoon. Current time is 3:20, so 20 minutes, 24 minutes. Coming in on platform 2. this is the 1204 from Southern Cross. It's a 6-car unit. I was expecting a 3-car, not a 6-car. But anyway. I'll show you the river crossing on this side. Also the cafe, the buffet is actually open. I thought they made an announcement that it wasn't going to be open. There we go. Crossing the border, back into Victoria. Welcome back to Victoria. Upfield train, going on platform 11. .35 Upfield train, now departing Southern Cross platform 11. Direct to Flinders Street and then through the city loop. .38 Sunbury train, stopping all stations to Sunbury except South Kensington by Flinders Street and the city loop. This will be my train. I was a bit slow getting the phone out to record. Pick a seat, any seat.